Want to permanently delete your Facebook account? What's this quick guide to erase your data for good? Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook on your browser and then click on account here and go to setting and privacy. And go ahead and click on this setting gear icon. Now go ahead and click on this personal detail. And once again, you need to click on personal detail on this icon here. Now you need to click on account ownership and control. Then here you need to choose deactivation or deletion. And make sure to choose your profile. Then simply choose on delete account and continue. And this is going to show you all the pages that you created or you own. So if you haven't transferred your ownership to other profile, then all of these pages will be also deleted. So hit and continue once you are good. So you don't need to choose anything here. So just hit and continue. And scroll down and click and continue. Now just re-enter your password, and once you guys continue in this time, it will permanently delete your account. Alright, and it's that simple to delete the Facebook account. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in next one. Peace.